Hello everyone, in this video we will install the Autopsy tool and then we will use the first case and investigate all the files and extract the usable file. So you will use this link to download the Autopsy tool. So when the downloading will be finished, so you will double click on this file and install the Autopsy tool for the digital forensics. Press the next button, select the installation folder and directory and then press next. So when the installation will be complete, so Autopsy tool will be started automatically and you can just open this tool and create your first case. So this the welcome window will come to you and then you can press the new case button to create the new case. And then here you can just write your case name and set the base directory. So your all the files, output files will be saved in this folder. You can create this folder anywhere in your device. So these are some optional information you need to add, like the case number, the examiner name, the phone number, email, and the notes. So it's up to you if you are using all the information. You can just use the option add data source and you can just add your image. So I'm using the USB image. You can select all the options, select all. So now the image files are available for the investigation. So this is the complete tree is available. You can just expand all the files, at how many images are available, how many HTML files, the Office files, and the PDF files. So this USB contains the one plain text and one Office file. So you can also check all executable files and the deleted file data is also available in it. Yeah, this is the deleted files from this USB image. All the file details and all the information is available for investigation. So now this image contains two files for the investigation. So we are extracting the data, and you can just select those files. Like this is the Office file. You can select this, right click and extract file. And you can use this program is by default using the export folder. So you can just use this one and save this file. So this file is extracted. Now you can just go to the second one, right click, extract file, and you can also save this file. So the both files are extracted from this image for the investigation. You can also read all the text which is available in this file. You can see it's the finance data and some other data is available. So now after complete extractions, so you will generate the report by using the built-in function in this tool. So you can just click on the generate report, and then the different modules and the formats are available. So for example, files, text, data source, summary, and some other file formats are available. So I'm using the Excel report. You can just click on the Excel report, press the next button, and the only one case file is available. You can just press next, and then you can finish this. So automatically the tool will generate the report for you, and then you can click on this link and the report will be open. Yeah, it contains the complete details about this investigation, and your file data is available. I hope you enjoyed this video, and like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.